today I'll show you how to create a Substack account from scratch, step by step. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be fully set up and ready to start reading or even creating newsletters on Substack. I'll guide you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen as you listen. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. You can type the address directly into the bar at the top of your browser. Once the homepage loads, take a second to look around so you're familiar with the layout. You should see options for discovering writers, reading posts, and signing up. What we're interested in is starting a new account. On the left side of the page, look for a button or a link labeled Create. And this is where Substack gathers the tools for starting something new. Go ahead and click on that Create option. When you do, you'll see a few choices, but since we're just getting started, you want to focus on the option that says Create Account. Click Create Account to open the sign-up flow. Substack now wants to get a sense of what you're interested in, so it can recommend newsletters and writers that match your tastes. You'll see a list of different topics, such as technology, culture, business, or other areas. Take a moment to scroll through and pick 3 topics that genuinely interest you. These don't lock you in forever. They just help Substack recommend good content up front. Once you've selected 3 topics, click Continue to move on. Next, Substack will show you a selection of individual Substacks, which are the newsletters and publications created by writers on the platform. Here, you'll be asked to subscribe to a few of them. This helps personalize your reading experience so your account isn't empty when you log in for the first time. Browse through the suggested publications and click subscribe on a few that look appealing to you. You can always unsubscribe or add more later, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect. When you've subscribed to a few, look for the button that says subscribe and continue, and click that to proceed. Now it's time to actually create your account. You'll see a field asking for your email address. Type in an email that you check regularly, since Substack will send you newsletters and important account information there. Double check for any spelling mistakes. A small typo here can keep you from receiving confirmation emails or logging in later. Below the email field, you'll see a checkbox with a statement about Substack's terms of use, information collection notice, and privacy policy. This is the standard agreement you see on most online services. Take a brief moment to note that by checking the box, you're confirming you've read and agreed to those policies. When you're ready, click the checkbox so it's marked. To finish creating your account and confirming your new subscriptions, click the button that says sign up and subscribe. Substack may send a confirmation link to your email, so if you're prompted, go to your inbox, open the message from Substack, and follow any instructions there to complete the process. Once that's done, your Substack account is active. You're now ready to explore your home feed, read posts from the writers you just subscribed to, and if you'd like, eventually start your own publication.